Everyone, welcome to Terra Spatial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reproject a shapefile or a vector file. So right now I'm just adding my shapefile here. So this is my shapefile. So as you can see here, now we are going to check the properties in order to find the projection. So you can see here, it has been a geographic coordinate system (GCS) WGS 1984. So I need to just convert it into my specific zone, coordinate zone. Okay, so for that, go to the option search. So if you don't find the search here, you can just click on it here. So this is the search table. So here, just type reproject and just search for the tool. So you can see here on the top, you can see it is meant for reprojecting uh, vector file, and this is for raster file. So I'm going to select the vector file, that is shape file. So you can see here the file has been opened up, and now I'm going to input my shape file here. This is my study area, which is going to be converted into a specific coordinate system. So after inputting the data, you can just see here it is showing the projection of the shape file right now. So we are going to specify the output coordinate system. So I'm going to go with projected coordinate systems. UTM 84. So I have just selected my coordinate system here. Now we have to just give OK in order to successfully transform the projection. So you can see here the projection has been successfully completed. It is been successfully transformed. So for that we are going to just go to the option table of contents. So you can see here this is the new converted transformed shape file. Go to the option properties. You can find it here. The projection has been changed. Okay, previously it was WGS 84, and now it is being converted into WGS 84 UTM zone 44A. So I hope that you have learned something from this video, that how to transform uh, a vector layer. So if you have any doubts, please do ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.